Now, let's change the room's colors. Beautiful. Let's add some sounds from nature. Okay, what if we add some music to it? Did you like what I did? Well, you too can do this, and more with the sensoryREADY. The sensoryREADY is an educational smart tool. It helps to increase focus and improve educational attainment. It comes with a mini computer that connects to your TV or projector, smart light bulbs, and a tablet to control the experience. The sensoryREADY can turn any space in a school, kindergarten, center, or even your own home into a sensory experience. With just a few clicks, you can adjust the space settings using sensory elements, such as light, music, sound, and visuals, to create a fully interactive, educational, and enjoyable sensory environment for children and adults alike. Let's live the experience together. Colors and lights play an important role in defining the mood and general atmosphere, as well as assisting the brain in focusing on the desired goal. Whether it is learning, relaxation, therapy, or communication and listening, you can transform the room into an orchard on a hot summer day, or a beach at sunset, or a dawn sky full of stars, by changing the color and lighting in the sensory room. Sound has the incredible power to carry our imagination to new and exciting places. The sensoryREADY has a large library of natural and urban sound effects. It can be used separately or in combination with other sensory content to create immersive environments such as a forest or a bustling downtown. So, what will your imaginative journey look like? Visual stimuli or videos are one of the most effective ways to learn about the world, daily life, and oneself. The sensoryREADY offers a plethora of visual content as part of your unique, immersive, and engaging sensory experience. Music contributes to the overall mood of the room and has a big impact on memory and daily activities. You can meditate, dance, play, or even take a nap while listening to carefully selected music tracks and albums from our collections and genres to suit various tastes, preferences, and use cases. The sensoryREADY offers educational games, applications, and children's books geared toward the development of various educational and cognitive skills. It includes math, language, social-emotional skills, and art. The content is themed into groups based on the user's abilities. Content is regularly updated to ensure it perfectly meets your needs. We work to make the world around us a more inspiring place, with users and partners who believe in the magical blend of technology and imagination. Iris Solutions,